And so the media has now become the meme police, tracking down jokes that are obvious to all of us but them. Too bad they can't be bothered with actual stories, you know, whether it's the true origins of the Steele dossier or the political bias of a whistleblower. Right, Adam?
And now, Adam Schiff gets a haircut.
Okay, what are we thinking, huh?
Make me look like this.
That looks pretty similar. When was the last time you got your haircut?
This morning. Is that a problem? You know, your hair grows faster when you don't blink. I can make it grow, watch. See?
Oh, I smell an Emmy. But it's not like they had one to begin with. Right, Adam?
And now, Adam Schiff interviews a new assistant.
As you can see, I think my resume speaks for itself.
It certainly does. You have zero experience. Ah, impressive. You're hired.
Awesome. Thanks, Mr. Schiff.
Too much confidence. Makes me nervous. You're fired.
I don't understand.
No one does. Now, excuse me, I'm watching television. Oh, Dr. Drew.
Right, Mr. Schiff?
And now, Adam Schiff plays rock, paper, scissors for the first time.
Oh, last slice. You want to rock, paper, scissors for it?
I've been waiting for this my whole life.
It's kind of weird, but all right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! All three. Gotcha.
Take it.